Good morning. Yesterday, the horses were in the arena and I didn't clean it yet. So I thought I'm gonna clean it now, but I don't want to do it alone. That's what I mean. Come, we go this way. Peach, there's Lindy, and here's Daisy. Hey, Daisy. Okay, they are a bit chubby, but I think she's still in fall. At least I hope so. Kom maar, Saly. Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo. Braaf. Los. Ja, is ook zo opgelost, hè? Oh. Nou, Saly is mooi. Hey. Oh. Kom maar.
Nou, vrouw, maar van huis. If I can speak English, a little bit.
Yes?
Yeah, I'll try.
Oh, that's better for me. Well, it sounds good.
Oh, thanks.
That's
It's very, very strange to talk English to you.
Normally we speak Friesian.
On our way back home. Because of Yvonne.
Because of we went to the clinic with Saly, and because Saly had one of her teeth, but there was a godsend, a hole in. We had to go to the clinic, and they were checking if it was that bad or not, if they can do something about it or not. And they said the best is to take it all out, one tooth, not all, but they took the tooth out. So now there's one hole over here. That's it, I think.
Yeah, and we had a possibility to wait for it and to take her home immediately. That was very fine.
It's quicker than we thought, so that's perfect. And hopefully she can eat normal. And yeah, in 2 weeks we have to go there again, so they check if everything is all right. But I'm glad we helped Saly, so she's not in pain. And oh, wait a minute, I searched for it. I have it somewhere. Where is he?
In your pocket?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have a lot in my pocket. There it is. So it turned already black here, but not here. So we were on time. And yeah, when it's a bit later, it can be more black. But this is it. Ik zal even opletten.
Ja.
Friesian. But there are a couple of Friesian horses from an old friend of mine. She passed away, but her dad has a lot of Friesians here in the pasture. Marga. Nou, Saly, daar is ze weer. Nee.